It's great to have the team at Bristol City Women giving the mac and cheese recipe a quick go. It's quick, easy and perfect for a post-match dinner with all of the team.
Hi, I'm Jessie Woolley.
I'm Fran Bentley from Bristol City Women's football team.
Today we're making full-time meals mac and cheese. Let's play the video.
This week's full-time meal is a classic family favourite, one that everybody loves. It's mac and cheese. First thing we're going to do, get your pan 3/4 full with water and bring it up to the boil.
Right, that's all the way up, no else.
And into that, we're going to put a mug and a half dried macaroni.
We're putting a mug and a half of macaroni into what will be boiling water.
Oh no.
Oh my. Fran.
Whilst the pasta is on, we're going to make our cheesy white sauce, starting off with 2.5 mugs of milk that have come from Yo Valley, British dairy farmers. There we go, look. Milk goes on, and into that, add both packets, powdered cheese sauce. This will take about 3 minutes to cook.
Smells nice.
Not bad. Yeah, it's looking good.
My pasta is cooked, so I'm just going to drain it in a colander. At this point, on the thick side of the grater, I'm going to grate about 1/3 of that block of cheese. Not very much. Whilst the grater's out, though, we're now going to add
Cauliflower.
some sneaky vegetables to it. Shh, don't tell the kids.
I didn't even know cauliflower could be grated.
So once that's done, pasta we put into the big saucepan, then into the pasta, grated cauliflower.
Oh no.
Then into the cheese sauce, 1 teaspoon of English mustard.
Now we're putting in the Yo Valley cheese.
Now it looks like cheese. He's whisking it quicker than me. I've got pasta on my spot.
Then add the lovely cheesy sauce to the macaroni and the grated cauliflower. And that noise, a kind of like lovely gooey, mushy sound, that is the sound of mac and cheese.
This is looking quite nice, actually. We are a bit messy, aren't we?
Yeah.
Mac and cheese is absolutely delicious, but it does need, in my opinion, something a bit crunchy to go on the top. You know what they are? You normally have them for breakfast with a bit of sugar on them and loads of milk. Or, if you were my brother when he was about 7, he used to have them in a sandwich. Weirdos.
That's just wrong.
I can't wait to eat this, actually.
Never in my life I thought we'd be putting Weetabix on mac and cheese. You know, like salt bit.
This last little bit of cheese that I left behind, sprinkle that on the top. Just little bits, because as it bakes, it'll melt, kind of form this lovely, cheesy, crumbly, crusty topping. We're gonna cook it for 30 minutes.
Now we're gonna put our mac and cheese in the oven for 30 minutes.
Yes.
Where is the oven? We've now taken the mac and cheese out of the oven.
That bit looks the nicest.
Which bit? Should we get that bit then?
Yeah.
Right. It's nice and crunchy. Gotta get a bit of the crunchy bit as well.
That's nice.
That's actually really nice. Thanks for watching, guys.
This was our turn at the full-time meals mac and cheese.
Now it's your turn.